You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Too many people believe there's an expiration date on success. They convince themselves they missed their opportunity, that it's too late to start over, or that someone younger has already taken their place. But that's simply not true. Your greatest advantage isn't your age, it's your experience. Every challenge you've overcome, every lesson you've learned, every relationship you've built has prepared you for the next chapter of your life. The question isn't whether you're capable of creating something bigger. The question is whether you're willing to give yourself permission to try. Imagine waking up every morning knowing you're building something that belongs to you. A business where your effort today can continue paying you month after month. A business where you're helping families and businesses reduce one of their largest monthly expenses, while creating long-term residual income for yourself. At TruPowur, you don't need decades of energy experience to get started. You simply need the desire to learn, the willingness to help people, and the commitment to build something that can change your future. Whether you're looking for additional income, planning your retirement, replacing your current career, or finally taking control of your financial future, there's never been a better time to begin. Because the biggest regret isn't failing, it's wondering what could have happened if you had simply taken that first step. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.